Okay, for 28, they want us to find the missing side, so let's do A first. So it's 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. So 25 plus x squared equals 169. Subtract 25 from both sides, right? Subtract 25 from both sides. And we get x squared equals 144, so x comes out to be 12, right? The square root of 144. So x is 12, and we're done A. It does ask us to say if it's rational or irrational, so that's a rational number, right? It's an integer, it's a rational number. Okay, let's do B. So for B, we have 6 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared. So 36 plus 9 equals x squared. X squared, I'm going to write it the other way, equals 45. So x equals root 45. And root 45 is not a perfect square. For now, we can leave it in that form. It's not simplified, but we can leave it like that because we didn't learn how to simplify radicals yet. And that is irrational, right? Because any non-perfect square, the square root, is irrational. And for C, let me make some space. For C, I have x squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared, right? So we have x squared plus 225 equals 17 squared, which is 289. So we subtract 225 from both sides, 225. And we get x squared equals 464, right? So we get x equals 8, right, for the missing side. And that is a rational number. It's an integer.